In Tamil Nadu, all those flying in must register their details online on the TNPASS portal website. Only 25 flights a day can land at Chennai airport. Passengers are being stamped with indelible ink and quarantined for 2 weeks. Asymptomatic ones at home and those with symptoms in care centres. Maharashtra too has kept its flights in and out of Mumbai to 25 a day. All arrivals are being stamped and asked to home quarantine for 2 weeks. Kerala is asking all those flying in to get an entry pass online. Those without a pass will have to be in 2 weeks of institutional quarantine. No quarantine is necessary for short business trips. Delhi and Bihar are screening all flyers, and those with symptoms will be taken to health centres. Those without symptoms don't need to quarantine. Karnataka has mandated a week of institutional quarantine for anyone coming in from hotspot states like Maharashtra, MP, Gujarat, Delhi, Rajasthan and Tamil Nadu, followed by a week of home quarantine. People from low-risk places will be quarantined at home for 2 weeks. If you're travelling on business and have a COVID negative certificate from an accredited lab, you don't need to be in quarantine. People flying into Uttar Pradesh need to register themselves on a government website. All arrivals need 2 weeks of home quarantine unless they're staying less than a week or clear a COVID test. Himachal Pradesh wants flyers to obtain district entry passes. Chhattisgarh, Assam and Goa have 2 weeks of home quarantine for anyone entering the state. So do Punjab and Andhra Pradesh, though if you clear a COVID test, you don't need to continue quarantine. Mizoram and Uttarakhand have mandatory 2 weeks institutional quarantine for anyone flying in. Jammu and Kashmir and Meghalaya are testing all flyers with institutional quarantine till test results are in. Andhra Pradesh will begin flight operations from tomorrow. West Bengal, struggling in the aftermath of Cyclone Amphan, has delayed it to the 28th of May. That means states like Tripura are yet to start ops since these flights go through Kolkata.